Alright, I'm here to talk to you all about MapleStory if you're having trouble leveling or everything. Well, first of all, I'm level 64 fighter. I'll tell you where to train from 1 through 64 levels on MapleStory. At level 1, you just start off at some random place. You train there to level, I think, 7. You go back, you go to Leaf Harbor. You train there till, like, level 9 or wherever you want. Then you can go to Parion and kill stumps or those tree branch things, those logs. And then after you're done with that, at level 10 you can become any god, like a bowman, pirate, any of those stuff. You can come whatever you want. And then after you do that, whatever you are, it depends where you train at. Like, the best spot is if you train at stumps again, because those are level like 12. That's a good spot. And then when you're level 20 through 30, you're supposed to go to Boars and train there till level 30. You get your second job, then start training again. At your second job, you train pretty much anywhere you want. At a magician, if you're a lightning slash wizard or whatever they're called, it's best if you're like level 40. There's a little hacking spot in Ludi at the mouse place. You stand on a little thing right there and hold down lightning. It'll just strike them, and you just keep holding that down. You get a ton of EXP. And make sure you just set a rock on the space bar, or else it'll stop firing. And at level 50, I'd say to do PQs. Lodi PQ, and then you can do that to level 70 if you want. That's really good training. You have to have pretty good accuracy to do that because that's Toral Maces and really strong stuff. But that's training 1 through 64.